Almond face masks for skincare, almonds for skin youthful and glowing. Remember how our mothers used to give us handful of soaked almonds every day before going to school? We know that these crunchy nuts are an excellent source of plant protein, essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and magnesium, all of which are known to improve our overall health. But did you know that almonds could also do wonders to your skin, if applied topically? Yes, that's right. As we know that almonds are packed with vitamin E, they help keep our skin hydrated and further make it soft and supple. Moreover, the presence of antioxidants in almonds keeps our skin wrinkle-free, young and glowing. But if you are still not convinced, then why don't you try these almond face masks and see the results yourself? Here are some simple and easy almond face masks that you can try this winter to keep your skin youthful and glowing. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Almond and milk face mask for tan removal. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon almond powder and 2 tablespoons raw milk. How to apply: take a bowl and mix both the ingredients in it. Mix it well till you get a thick paste-like consistency. Now, wash your face with lukewarm water and apply this mask on your face and neck. Keep this face mask for about 20 minutes. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. You may apply this mask on your arms and legs too. 2. Almond, milk and grounded oats face mask for natural glow. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons almond, 1 tablespoon grounded oats and 3 tablespoons raw milk. How to apply: take a bowl and mix all the ingredients in it. Make sure you have a thick paste without any lumps. Apply this face mask before going to bed. Clean your face with rose water with the help of a cotton ball. Once you are done with that, apply this mask on your face and let it stay there for 20 minutes, or keep it overnight. If you wash your face at night, use lukewarm water and apply your night cream after that. 3. Almond, turmeric and gram flour face mask for instant glow. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon almond powder, 2 tablespoons gram flour and 1 tablespoon turmeric. How to apply: mix all the ingredients in a bowl to make a thick pasty-like consistency. You may add a little rose water if you think your mixture is little dry. Apply the face mask all over your face and keep it for about 15 minutes. Rinse it with normal water. Some of the almond face masks can be a little messy, especially the almond, milk and grounded oats face mask, therefore, you may rinse the mask off before you sleep. Also, if you face any allergies, don't use for your face. If you know more tips, just comment below. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.